How to delete Tidio account. Follow the instructions. Go to the Tidio website and log in using your registered email and password for your active project account. Click Settings on the left sidebar, then choose Project and Billing to manage your plan and account options. In the Billing tab, cancel your current subscription so your project switches back to the free basic plan. Go to Live Chat Appearance and disable the chat widget for both desktop and mobile device views. If using Shopify, Wix, or WordPress, then install the Tidio plugin or manually delete the widget code, script. Confirm the widget no longer shows on your website before proceeding with permanent account deletion. Go to Settings, Project and Billing Preferences, and click the red Delete Project button at the bottom. Confirm the action to delete your account and permanently remove all agents, data, and the entire Tidio project. Thank you for watching.